In a small village, there lived a wealthy farmer. He owned many animals, but his two favorites were a loyal dog and a hardworking donkey. The dog stayed at home all day, guarding the house and resting. At night, he would bark loudly to scare away any thieves. The donkey, on the other hand, worked from morning till evening, carrying heavy loads, plowing the fields, and doing all the hard labor. The dog was proud of his easy life. Whenever he saw the donkey sweating under the sun, he would laugh and say, "Look at you, you work so hard. And yet the master scolds you and beats you when you're slow. Look at me. I just lie around all day, bark at night, and the master is pleased with me." The donkey kept quiet and continued his work, but the dog's words kept bothering him. One day, the donkey thought to himself, "Why should I keep working so hard when the dog does so little and still earns the master's love? Maybe I should also try to do what the dog does." That night, after a long day of work, the donkey stayed awake instead of sleeping. As everyone in the house fell asleep, a group of thieves climbed over the wall and quietly entered the yard. The dog was lying in his corner, but decided to remain silent, just to see what the donkey would do. When the donkey saw the thieves, he thought, "This is my chance to show the master how good I can be." So he started braying loudly, making a terrible noise that woke everyone up. The thieves heard the loud noise and ran away in fear. The farmer rushed outside with a stick and saw the donkey braying like mad while the dog just sat there quietly. Angry and confused, he hit the donkey and shouted, "You foolish animal! Why are you making so much noise at night? Can't you see you've disturbed everyone's sleep? This is the dog's job, not yours." The next morning, the donkey stood quietly in his stable with his head down. The dog walked past him, chuckling. "Now you see," the dog said, "everyone has their own work. It's best to do your own duty and not copy others. I guard the house because it's my job. You work in the fields because it's yours. If you try to do my work, you'll only get yourself into trouble." The donkey understood his mistake. He promised himself that from then on, he would focus on his own work and not try to imitate others. Moral: do your own duty honestly. Trying to copy others will only bring you harm.